Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today I'll be doing a unboxing and also a run through a bit on the GoPro Hero 10 which I just bought. So I was thinking to change my camera from the Insta360 One R because the workflow is too slow and it's too troublesome. So I saw that the GoPro Hero 10 is out and I'd like to give it a try. So here is all the things that's included. So I bought the very basic version. It comes with a bag. They say you can put all this thing in, like slippers. You can even keep a laptop. So yeah, this is a pretty big bag. And let's have a look what's inside. And the material looks okay. Should be waterproof. With a GoPro wording on it. This is definitely waterproof. You have two compartments, one with a zip. Yeah, here's the zip. Okay, so I'll keep this aside. It also comes with a towel. Why do I need a towel? I'm not sure why they gave us a towel, but it's nice to have, so I'll just keep it here, on the table for the review. Okay. Looks pretty neat. Yep, good. So let's go into the box. Here you can see that it says made in China. And you have all the certification. So let me just peel this off. See what's inside. So right out of the box, that box here is written 23 megapixel GB2 processor. You have 8 times a slow motion, time warp, webcam mode. You can upload automatically to the cloud, voice control, and 5K 60 frames. The previous generation GoPro 9 can only do 5K 30 frames, same like the Insta360. So the box looks pretty sturdy. This is like a recycled box they use. So let me get the camera out. Yeah, it feels pretty heavy compared to all previous generation GoPro that I have. I only have like the GoPro Hero 7 white, 7 silver, and also GoPro Hero 3. So this is some instruction manual. Let's see what's inside. So the camera must be updated before we can use it. So they reminded us of that. And let me take this battery out. So let's have a look. I think this has the same capacity with the Hero 9, and only the model number is different. So I think it might work. So I'll test the. Maybe I'll buy a Hero 9 battery and test it out if that interests you, because I also need a battery. I'll try a third-party battery, see if it works. Okay, let me peel off this paper. Okay, so let's try to open the battery compartment and try not to break it. Not sure how to do that. Let me figure this out and be right back, because I've not watched any review or read any instruction yet. So yeah, I'll be back. Okay, so apparently they say how to open this here, so we should read the instruction next time. So yeah, I have to pull this down. It's very hard to pull. You have to use some force to pull it down. So inside here, I'm not sure if you can see it, there's a SD card slot, and you can put your battery in. Okay, and there's also a USB port. Okay, let's power this on. Okay, I'll select English, and maybe I have to peel off this piece of paper because it's very hard to see. I'll select next. Okay, so it is setting up. So it doesn't allow me to go further because I need to put in my SD card. Oh, great. Now I need to charge the battery. I'll be back. So after charging the battery, took me about a couple of minutes. So I'm back, and let me turn on this GoPro. I'll just peel this off now. Okay. So from what I see in the internet, it is this GP2 is very fast compared to the previous generation processor. So here I have all the memory card by ranking. So this is the slowest one I have in hand. This is a SanDisk Ultra. Then I have this Leica. This is also not a very fast card, but it can pretty much record 4K. And this is a much better one, Leica Professional. It is recommended here. I recommend this better than the SanDisk because I've been using the SanDisk on my Insta360, and sometimes it not fast enough. Sometimes it says not fast enough, but I never experienced that with with the Leica Professional. So I'll try with the slow cut, see if it works. Because we can't do any setting without a card inside. So yeah, it shows us a warning, I think. So I need to update it. Yeah, I need to connect to my app. So I'll be right back. Okay, so now I'm connected to the app. So I'll run the update. So okay, accept it. So just for your information, why I'm selecting the GoPro Hero 10 as my, hopefully as a replacement to my Insta360 One R Leica edition, is because the footage right out of the Insta360 is not stabilized, so I have to do the extra work to render it again in my computer to stabilize the footage. So that takes a lot more work, and also that sometimes if I'm mounting it on my motorcycle with the high capacity battery, and sometimes the shake on my motorcycle will stop the footage because the camera notice that there's too much shake. That is kind of like a fail safe to protect your camera, so it just cut off. Like sometimes when I'm riding, it happens a lot. So I think maybe a GoPro is much better. So I'll try out this camera to see. I'm afraid maybe I might be disappointed because the Leica camera 1-inch sensor is much bigger, whereas this one I'm not sure what kind of sensor they're using. They say it's a new sensor, but I'm afraid that we might not get a very good result in a low light condition. Another thing with the Insta360 is that if I'm recording in 5K 30 frames, it gets very hot, and sometimes it just shut off itself because of too hot. So I hope that this one I can shoot longer videos with 5K, and hopefully I saw that there's some overheating issue. I hope that this can be resolved. If not, not sure how we're gonna do with this. Maybe I'll return this. So you can see from here, it asked me to upgrade my card, and the SanDisk Ultra is definitely not accepted in inside your GoPro. So I'll try this one, the Leica 633 version. This card is used for my DJI Mini to record 2.7K videos. I've also used this on my GoPro Hero 7 and it works fine, but that is only recording in 1080p. And oh yeah, the silver is recording in 4K, so it's working as well. Okay, let us quickly walk through some of the menus on the GoPro. So on your left, this is the power button. You can also change the mode from time-lapse, photos, videos, and also yeah, just 3 modes. And by video, okay, pushing up you'll see your playback. Pull it down, pull it left or right, you do the same thing to switch between video. Pulling down, you see all the menu. It's pretty self-explanatory. You can click on this, and also your connection, the Wi-Fi. So I've stayed away from a second-handed GoPro because they used to have a lot of Wi-Fi issue on their past GoPro machine. So I'm not sure how reliable this is. Maybe they don't have this issue anymore with the 9 series, but I own a Hero 7 Silver, which has a broken Wi-Fi. I also have bought a second-handed Fusion. It also have Wi-Fi problems, so hopefully now they don't have this issue anymore. So yeah, I'll do some more testing with this later on in my video. Do stay tuned for it, and do leave your comments down below. If you have anything to ask, I'll try to help you on that. Okay, goodbye.